After discussing about decimal representation of rational numbers, two more things is very important to understand: what is pure recurring decimals and what is mixed recurring decimals. A decimal number in which all the figures after the decimal point are repeated is known as a pure recurring decimals. For example, 0.3333 and so on, which can be expressed as zero point 0.3 dash. So here this is a decimal number in which all the figures after decimal all the figures are repeating. So this can be expressed as pure rational numbers. Other example is 2.16 dash, 2.321 dash. After decimal, here 321, 321, these three numbers are repeating. So this is pure recurring decimals. Whereas in mixed recurring decimal, a decimal in which after the decimal point at least one figure is not repeated. At least one figure is not repeated, and then some figure or figures are repeated is known as mixed recurring decimals. For example, 0.18 dash. Here you see this 8, this digit 8 is repeating 88888, but after decimal one digit is here, that is 1, which is not being repeated. So this type of decimals are known as mixed recurring decimals. And here no any number which is not repeated after decimal point. Other example is, you can say 0.567418 like this, which can be written as 0.567418. Here 7418 is repeating. That's why this recurring decimal is mixed recurring decimal. Now let us solve some questions. Convert the following decimal fractions into vulgar fractions. These are decimal fractions and we have to change into vulgar fractions. 0.45 can be expressed as 45 divided by 100, because after decimal point there are two digits, so we can divide by 100. And this can also be expressed as 9 by 20. So 9 by 20 is the vulgar fraction, whereas 0.45 is decimal fraction. So decimal fraction can be changed to vulgar fraction. Similarly, you have to solve B and C. Now come to the next question. Convert the following vulgar fractions into decimal fractions. This one is vulgar fraction and you have to change this one in decimal fractions. It is very easy to change because this 3 by 5, this is also a rational number. This rational number can be changed to decimal fractions, dividing 3 by 5. If you divide 3 by 5, you will get as 0.630 and so on. So 0.6, 0, 0.6. 0.6 is the decimal fractions. In this way, you have to solve B and C. Now, next question is express the following recurring decimals into vulgar fractions. Here, 0.6 dash is given. 0.6 dash. So, how to change 0.6 dash, that is recurring decimals, and we have to change this recurring decimals to vulgar fractions. There is a method to solve this type of questions. So let us solve. First, let x is equal to 0.6 dash, which can be expressed as x is equal to 0.666 dot dot dot. Multiplying, this is first, multiplying 10 to both sides will get 10x is equal to 6.666 dot dot dot. This is second. Second minus first implies 10x minus x, that is 9x, and 6.666 minus 0.666 is 6 only, and this will get, or x is equal to 6 by 9. X is equal to 6 by 9, which can be expressed as 2 by 3. So like this, we can change this recurring decimals into rational numbers or recurring decimals into vulgar fraction. Now come to the next question. Similarly, you can solve B and C, that is 0.16 dash and 0.234 dash by the same method. Now come to the next question, that is express the following recurring decimals as vulgar fractions. Here also we are considering this first one. Let x is equal to 0.17 dash. In 7 only this dash is there. So this can be expressed as 0.1777 dot dot dot. Suppose this is first, multiplying 10 in first, we get, that is 10x is equal to, if you multiply 10 here, then this one digit will be shifted this side and it will be 1.777 dot dot dot. This is second. Again you multiply by 10. Again second into 10 implies 100x is equal to, if again you multiply 10 in second, then you will get 17.777 dot dot dot. This is third. And subtracting second from third, subtracting second from third, we get, what we are getting, 100 minus 10, that is 90x is equal to this minus this. If subtract 17.777 dot 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 minus 1.7777 dot, will get 16.0. So x is equal to 16 by 90, and that is equal to 8 by 45. So 8 by 45 is the rational number or vulgar fraction which is changed from the recurring decimal 0.17 dash. So any recurring decimals can be changed to vulgar fraction or rational number. This is the way we have to observe the number. Here, since 0.6 dash was there, so we have multiplied by 10 and we have subtracted second from first. And in this question, since 0.17 is, you can say, mixed recurring decimal, because after decimal point there is a digit which is not repeating. That's why first of all we have multiplied by 10 and again by multiplied by 100 to shift this one this side and 17 this side, and we'll get this result. Similarly, you have to solve 0.1254. So solving these questions we will proceed. Thank you.